This is NSCA's Business Question Series. My name is Cameron Sikes with GreatAmerica Financial Services, and I am an NSCA business resource. Today's question is, do you hear this objection from your customers a lot? All my customers just pay with cash. It's a common misconception we hear from time to time. It comes from the line of thinking that only cash-poor customers are the ones who finance their technology purchases, when in reality, more customers finance their equipment purchases than those that do not at all. They range from every level, SMB to enterprise, as well as state, local, and education companies. As we have all seen in the consumer world, everything has shifted to subscription or monthly payments being offered in some way. You cannot even check out with a pair of shoes without being asked whether or not you want to pay monthly or with cash. We've seen this shift in the B2B world now, which is why financing will only become more and more prevalent. Why are companies doing this more and more? Because it changes the buying psychology of a customer from, do I buy this or should I just save this money? Do I pay cash or do I pay monthly? This leads to quicker decision making and ultimately more sales. Studies have shown that just offering a payment option on your quotes that go out can increase sales 15 to 18%. This might not sound like a massive percentage, but if someone offered any of us the chance to increase our sales without having to pay for anything, I think we'd all raise our hands to sign up as soon as we can. And you're in luck, because that's what I'm offering all of you today. The chance to increase your sales at zero cost to you. We can even integrate into your own CRM or give you a calculator so that you and your sellers can offer it on every deal, which means it won't slow your deals down. If anything, it will speed them up.